nigga, and it won't work. Turn this bitch sideways, rip him like some homework. In a bed like a monster. Hop up on the club with the chopper, who's the
Alright, Freeway shutdown finally. What is up, guys? It's your boy zlowdre here, back again with another video. Hope you guys like and subscribe. And yup, you know, we're getting a lay over here at this freeway. That's how we do it. What the fuck? They're walking the freeway. Holy shit. Run them over. What the fuck? Alright, so we shut down 2 freeways. I think it's about 3. People are still singing it. Whole freeway is shut down, bro. Look at that. Look at the smoke up there. I was pulling up. I don't know. Oh, he's on the other side, bro. Oh, what finally pulled up? I think I said they're gonna make fun of the cop and shit. I think the cop's gonna throw gas, so I'm cool. I think it was too crazy. We're out to second spot, yeah. They just threw something to the car. They're throwing waters. Or the bottles. I don't. Oh! Got bottles. I'm out, bro. Watch. They're throwing bottles, bro.
Oh, these niggas lost it.
They niggas lost it, bro. I'm out.
They even throw a baby's toy? No,
Oh, I'm this way. Yup. This is what happens when you shut down the freeway. Oh, they stopped something. Oh, no, they didn't. Look how many cops, bro.
Nah, dudes, they were shooting about them. Even the SWAT
Even the
here.
SWAT team is here.
What the fuck?
Yup, today was lit.
Damn, nigga. Say they said to come to Oakland. It'll be fun, they said.
Hell, bro, shit was lit.
Hey, dog! Is that fresh cups?
Shit's lit. Oh,
556 horsepower, bro.
alright, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. That wraps up the video right here. If you guys haven't yet, subscribe. Go follow my boy on Instagram. He's always with me. Never leaves me hanging. Pumping gas, about to go home, edit some videos, and subscribe for the next video. Catch you guys next time.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chilling with my niggas that shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts